In this video, we look at a Charlie and the Chocolate Factory style abandoned house with everything left. There's not really much info about this house, so it's really hard to say what happened here, so that'll be up for you guys to guess. But this house is amazing. It has some of the best decay I've ever seen, but still everything left. There's old pictures of it from back in the day when it was still active, and it really brings out the emotion of this house. I'm assuming the owners passed away and nobody took over the farm, but there's toys inside, so they had to have had kids. Alright, we have made it in front of this beautiful abandoned house. Look at this thing. It looks like a hobbit house. That's what got my attention in the first part. It's so cool looking. We're gonna do a quick little walk around of it. Look at that. See back here, it's definitely on a farm. The whole farm's abandoned. Look at the little basketball hoop over here. So cool. And I promise y'all, the inside of this house is amazing. The decay is just unlike anything else. Y'all gotta stick through. It's a time capsule with the most amazing decay I've ever seen. And then you can see lots of stuff in there too. Look in there. As you walk up to the porch, there's a little basement. It's all caved in. Look at that. Upper. I don't even know what that is. Look at it. It's all caved in. Look at the old fridge. There's a few of those in there. Just a beautiful property out here in Tennessee. Tennessee is a gorgeous state. I mean, it's seriously, it's insane. Here's the back of the house right here. See the little weather things up there? I think those are weather things, lighting rods maybe, I don't know. Never seen those before. What can I say? But just an amazing house that's not gonna be here too much longer. At least the front porch isn't. You can see the pillars on that are just ruined. And I'm glad I got here. I thought it was gonna be torn down, but we're gonna go inside in just a second and show you this amazing house. I mean, look at that view. That's so cool. You even got the little flower plants right here. But I'm not gonna hold y'all any longer. Let's check out the inside of this amazing house. So we have made it inside of this really unique little house. And this is the view right here to the front porch. But we're gonna turn around and I'm gonna get started with this place. It's really cool. So this is what you see as soon as you walk in. And then we'll go to the left and you can see this living room right here. And there's cool stuff all in this house. I've seen it on TikTok, but I haven't looked at the video in a while, so we're kind of walking through it blind a little bit. I have not walked through the house yet. You can see the piano. Check this out, a bunch of books and stuff on the floor. I don't know, something just spoke to me about this house. I can just tell a really interesting story happened here. I don't know the story yet. I did look at it on Google Maps, just seeing when it went abandoned. Look at him moving there. That's really cool. But anyway, we'll go straight across. Check this out. This is super cool looking. Look at the decay. This house definitely does not have long left. Honestly, the whole time we were on the way, I was worried that it was going to be completely caved in. But as you can see, it has survived. I'm not going to step too much in this room because it is looking sketchy. Look at the decay though. I love stuff like that. And the bed falling in, that's just so cool looking. You can see the chairs flipped over. I don't know what happened in here, but we see that room. We'll walk to that in just a second. We'll take this way. You can kind of see signs of the back porch just being completely caved in over there. Here's this room. Okay. This is pretty cool. Look at the cups and stuff on the ground. You can see there was a little futon right here they were sleeping on. Long before TVs. Honestly, though, this place just hasn't been updated. It was abandoned well into TV's existence, but I don't know. TVs might have been around. I mean, what? They came out in the 40s, 50s, something like that. I don't think this house is all original from that. So, yeah, that was probably a TV in here. I haven't seen one, though. You know, these older people, though, they don't really have to update. You know, they're good with what they got. Look at this. This is such a cool house. This is why I wanted to film it. The decay in here mixed with the time capsule. It's so cool. Look at that. The wallpaper, I can feel the floor creaking. Oh, there's this old fridge, but maybe we can try it through that door. I am not walking in here though, but that is super cool looking. But let's turn around and oh look, some dusty shoes in the corner. Wow. But let's head back. Oh, I can't get to the door because of the porch. But we will peek out of here. Look at that. You can see it just on top of the stuff left behind. There's the door. So now we'll go into this bedroom. Check this out. And I don't know how this dresser is doing a handstand. I don't know. Oh, wow. Look at this. There's a TV. That's what I was hoping for, y'all. What a beauty. Just laying here. It's definitely going to be destroyed with the rest of the stuff. 30% off. Scope mouthwash. That's old mouthwash, too. This is a true time capsule. I wonder what's under this. It doesn't matter. It's all going to get demolished soon anyway. Well, I don't know how soon. It's been here a while, but with it gaining popularity, who knows? This floor is buckling. I'm kind of nervous. Why does it smell chemical like back here? What is this? Just going to the wall? Okay, it's under the stairs. Stairs still look half decent, at least. I'm talking funny. I wonder if I'm breathing in something I shouldn't and going loopy without realizing it. But there's the other side of the bedroom. There's your light fixture. Oh, look at this bathroom. The dresser just snagged my pants and almost pulled my pants down. That'd be my first time getting pants by an abandoned house. Check that out. Some old mail and stuff. Here's the bathroom. Look at that. That's really cool. I really like this old house. I really like it. The toilet's destroyed. Let's get back here. Feel the floor. Trying to get away. I just walked through a million spider webs. I feel it on my shins. Gotta love that. And then this is another view of the bedroom. Imagine just living back in time, just walking out and seeing this. I mean, that would be so cool. But I think now we can go ahead and go upstairs. Check that out. Even the stair runners are still here. Let's go up together, y'all. See what we got. Upstairs kind of scares me a little bit more. Ooh, it's a little bit rough up here. There's some cool stuff left, like a leg. Check this out. And that's your view down. We got good natural lighting in here. Look at all this stuff. This reminds me of a house I did in South Carolina with a bunch of airplanes. Y'all probably have seen it. It reminds me a lot of it. The smell of the wood in here. This would be my bedroom. You just know this was like a cute little bedroom at one point. There's the bed right there. Just imagine chilling in here. This would be the best sleep of your life. This dark wooden room. One little window. There's all types of magazines and stuff in here. Oh, this room looks really cool. Whoa, look at this. No way. Yo, that is so cool. I think this is on top of the porch, though. Or no, the porch is right there. You can barely see, and you see that little toy right there. I'm not going to walk on this part because this floor looks crazy, but look at the little rug, all the decay in here, the nest. Very unique. We'll cut on our light, and we'll walk in here now. That floor does not look good either. Oh, look at this. Bunch of seashells, old TV, jigsaw puzzle. And I want to appreciate just these old doors. These are just your standard old doors, but good architecture. I have these, well, kind of like that in my house because the house I live in right now was built, I believe, in either 1901 or 1910. It's definitely early 1900s. This floor is buckling up so hard right here. But the old houses, they don't do it like that anymore. Look at all these puzzles. Check that out. There's all types of games and children's toys in here. Who knows what this stuff is worth? White stores, white. What does that mean? I'm just kidding. But check this out, another little study style room. Look at the little hobbit door. This is a hobbit house, I'm telling y'all. Very interesting. You can't see anything in here. Can we get in and kind of see what's over here? Little hobbit hole on the roof too. I wish I could get over there and kind of see down, but these floors, I do not trust these floors at all. And this is the other side of the room over here. So we're definitely going to check this out. Oh, this floor. This floor is giving. Oh, look at that. And look at that. Look at the little clock. That's so nostalgic. Full of toys and chairs and stuff in here. Books all over the place too. And then you can see back in that room in there. Just amazing. And then that's what this side of the room looks like. Wow. What a gem of a house. What is this? Somebody let me know what that is. I can't tell. I gotta pay attention to some of these toys. Y'all in the comments, let me know what y'all recognize out of this. And let me know, the value, how rare it is. This is super cool to see. It's sad that this is all gonna get demolished. Look at this water gun. Jack-o'-lantern. I mean, this house was active until a modern time, but there's still a lot of old stuff in here. Look at this vacuum. How did I skip this vacuum? It looks like a 1950. Like, it's just, the style in that era was just so crazy. And then we do got a little closet over here. Over the buckle floor. There's caulking. What else? Oh, this is pretty empty. What a super cool house. Let's see what else we can see, because I know we missed stuff. Look, there's the pamphlet. El Dorado. Save 50% on each wheel, save 40% on sets of four. $38.70 each. Oh, that's old. It's been chewed through by rats and stuff. Die Hard battery. $49.99 with trade-in? Are you kidding me? Only if stuff was that cheap now. What else? I know we're missing cool stuff. What is in this jar? Some type of rations. I don't want to know. What is that? I can't tell what it is because the label's red. Finger painting set. classified ads. Can we see what year this is from? June 1947. Webster's Dictionary. Unbelievable. What an amazing house. Look at the curtains over here. A little nest. Hold on. Look at this nest, y'all. Let's get up close to this. That's crazy. But yeah, anyway, that'll be it for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this really unique little house. I like it a lot. I think it's super cool. So anyway, with that being said, I'll talk to y'all later. See you in the next.